What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have something special. This is a tent, and this tent, it's got a big issue. Okay, right now, if we go to unzip this tent, you'll see that there's a bunch of water in here. You can just see there's a bunch of water all around the place. So we need to get rid of all this water. That's our first step. Second step is to probably let me just show you over here. Make sure this is in the ground because the tent wobbles a bunch like that. So we put these little things in the ground like that so that this tent doesn't wobble around as much. But we got some improvements lately, and we got much stronger and taller ones so that we can put it in the ground farther down, and that's really been helping because even though we have those down, the wind can still come and just push it. So and the thing about the wind is that if the wind comes and pushes this wall here, see, this would get hit and fall down, and then everything would be bad because it could hit someone, it would ruin everything. We'd have to put it back up. That's why it's kind of a little off of the wall here. That way the wind can't just hit it and push it, okay? Because it was on the wall before and it just fell over. That's why we have to have it off of the wall. But another thing is this table here needs a chair. This table could also fall over too with the wind. So that's why it's a little bit off the ground here, so that the wind just doesn't hit it and it falls over. Because this is also gonna be where arts and crafts and all that stuff is going on for a different channel called Chelseaworks Creations. If you haven't subbed to it yet, go sub to it. But this table is arts and crafts, painting, all that stuff. So if you're painting and all of a sudden the wind knocks down the table, your artwork's probably gonna be ruined, your craft's gonna be ruined. So we need to sort out this wind situation, because I get it, the wind is always gonna probably push this, but we need to figure out a way to put these somewhere to where it won't fall over, because we just don't want the tent to blow away either. Because if the tent blows away, then we're not gonna have a tent, basically. This whole thing would be gone if it blows away. That's why we have these stakes in the ground, so that the tent doesn't blow away. But the second problem is that those in there blow away too, so they can just fall down and our stuff would be ruined. So those are the two main issues we have right now. But right now, the first thing we're probably gonna solve is this water, because it's just making a mess when you get rid of it. Now pause a second, because the funny thing is that right now all those problems are caused by wind. So we just need to try to make to where the walls don't get pushed a bunch by the wind. But you might be wondering, how do we get rid of it if this is here blocking it, right? Using a bucket, that'd take way too long. So we have to figure out a way to get rid of this water. You could just leave it open and let the sun soak in and just get rid of that water, evaporate it, do some evaporation here. But then that means when it rains, more water. So if we leave it open to let the sun evaporate it, we'll get more water, meaning we need more sunlight. So the best time to do it would probably be in the summer, to just let this evaporate. So right now, we have 3 months that we cannot use any of this because there's water here. We're probably gonna put stuff in this corner and all, but the water is blocking it because the wind's gonna knock it down right now. So we want to move it over here so it doesn't. But the water, alright? That's the bad thing. We have to get rid of this water first. But we have to wait 3 months to get rid of it. We also have a cool little window here that we can look out and enjoy the view. It's pretty cool, but I know it's even cooler. Getting rid of this water, okay? Getting rid of this water. I'll keep you up to date, so when the summer comes around, I'll probably post about if this works. And if you guys have any other ideas, leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and bye.